what if I smell something bad in my grow block? First off, you shouldn't have any bad smells coming from your grow block at all. You should only be smelling fresh, fragrant plants that are growing. But if in fact you do, check your plants to make sure you don't have any rotting plants that are in any of your towers. Or check your base box to make sure that there aren't any leaves or any types of fruit that may have dropped inside of your porthole that's camping out somewhere in your base box. Other than that, you should be fine. The whole point of the grow block is to make your house happier by smelling the liveliness from your fresh herbs like your mints and your basil and your rosemary. So there shouldn't be any bad smells coming from your grow block.
For more how-to content from Produced You, subscribe to our channel on YouTube and follow us on Instagram at Produce for All.